Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn Modernist Literature, fragmentation and stream of consciousness together, step by step. Modernist writers like Virginia Woolf invented stream of consciousness, a style that follows a character's thoughts in their raw, jumping flow. Ideas loop, interrupt, and trail off, just like real thinking. It can feel disorienting at first, but that's the point. The author wants you inside a living mind. Don't fight the messiness. Let it carry you through the character's inner world. Modernism often uses fragmentation, breaking a story into pieces that don't follow a straight line. Time jumps around, and scenes can feel like scattered puzzle pieces. This mirrors the broken post-war world the modernists lived in. The structure asks more of you. Instead of being handed a tidy plot, you assemble, meaning yourself. That active reading is exactly what these writers intended. Modernist texts are dense with allusion, brief references to other works, myths, or history. T.S. Eliot weaves in the Bible, Greek myth, and Dante. Each allusion packs extra meaning into just a few words, like a hyperlink to a whole story. You won't catch them all, and that's fine. When you do spot one, pause and ask what it adds to the moment. Modernist fiction often gives us unreliable narrators, voices we can't fully trust because of bias, gaps, or self-deception. The story they tell may not match what actually happened. Your job is to read between the lines and notice where the narrator might be wrong or hiding something. This uncertainty isn't a flaw. It's a deliberate invitation to think critically about every claim. Let's crack the modernists. 1. Stream of consciousness drops you into raw thought, so flow with it. 2. Fragmentation scatters the story, so you assemble it. 3. Allusions hide references that add depth, so chase the ones you catch. 4. Question whether the narrator can be trusted. Bring these 4 strategies to Woolf and Eliot, and their difficulty turns into discovery. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.